In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a page in Webflow. Archiving pages can be a useful way to manage your content when you want to remove a web page from your site without permanently deleting it. This simple process will not only help you keep your website clean and organized, but also ensure that you can easily restore the page if you need it again in the future. So, let's get started on learning how to efficiently archive a page in Webflow. First, we're going to direct ourselves to your Webflow project. You can do this by opening your browser and navigating to your Webflow dashboard, where all your projects are listed. Once you're signed in, find the specific project where the page you wish to archive resides. Click on the name of the project to open it. You should now see your project's workspace with all its associated settings and functionalities. It's essential to make sure you are in the right project to avoid any confusion later on. Once you have opened the project, go ahead and click on the Pages tab, which is typically located on the left sidebar of your screen. This tab displays a comprehensive list of all the pages included in your project, both static and dynamic. This area is essentially the roadmap of your site, and it's where you'll be performing the necessary steps to archive a page. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this section if you haven't done so already. Next, you want to locate the page that you intend to archive. Carefully scroll through the list and identify the page you want to work with. Clicking on the page will bring up its details and editing options. This step is crucial because selecting the wrong page could lead to archiving important content unintentionally, so double check before proceeding. Once you have the correct page in view, look for the option labeled Create Page. This might sound a bit confusing, but it's here that you'll find the functionality to manage existing pages as well. Click on this option to unveil a few additional settings related to your current page. In the settings, you'll see an option that allows you to archive the page. This option effectively removes the page from being live on the site, while still preserving all its content behind the scenes. It's a handy feature if you foresee a need to bring the page back in the future without having to recreate it from scratch. That's all it takes to archive a page in Webflow. Remember, archiving is a reversible action that lets you manage site content while retaining the option to restore it if plans change. Use this feature to keep your web presence as efficient and organized as possible. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to reach out and always make sure you're working within the right project and on the correct page. Thanks for tuning in today.